Beware the snake, the spider, and the scorpion. But know this: you are much more likely to be killed by a bee or a dog. Of the 1,610 people killed in encounters with animals between 2008 and 2015, 478 were killed by hornets, wasps, and bees, and 272 by dogs, according to a study published in Wilderness and Environmental Medicine. Snakes, spiders, and scorpions were responsible for 99 deaths over the 8 years. Using a database published by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, researchers found that 72 people annually were killed by other mammals, which includes horses, cattle, and pigs,